If you're looking for smart ways to save money around the house, start by maintaining your air conditioning system. You'll be more comfortable, keep energy costs down, and extend the life of your system. Begin with a professional tune-up that includes complete cleaning of the indoor and outdoor coils. At Caldeco, we think this detail is critical and recommend that it be done at least once a year by one of our precision tune-up specialists. Maintenance that goes above and beyond. It's just another reason why so many Tampa homeowners turn to the experts at Caldeco.